good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1079th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Carboni. Traders, we're going to get right into this. Listen, the other day I did a video, right, and I said, Fed Day, the charts say no way. And I said the market's going straight up, and Bernanke comes out, and the markets go straight up because he doesn't cut rates, and everyone's running around going, yay, USA, hooray for the red, white, and blue, and we're all having a party, right? I go home that night, and all over the TV, it's plastered. Look out, everybody. Watch out for the fiscal cliff. Oh, my God, once again, traders, here we go. This is going to be insane. This should be an exciting video. Here's what we got. I'm filming this video on September 19th for trading on the 20th. That's Friday. It's this 1079th video. The last video I showed you, I talked about the upside. We went up. But I'm here to say, get ready for the fiscal cliff nonsense on September 30th. That's the end of next week. Here's what I think. It's already all over the panic monger box. My OMNI is starting to flip. Likely, this will have a pullback effect. But I am telling you now, traders, they're going to send us right towards the fiscal cliff once again. Down we go. Traders, I know it's going to happen. It's only a matter of time. Let's look at the charts together. Remember, futures trading can be extremely risky, can cause substantial financial loss, and is not suitable for all trading accounts. All right, so I've got some interesting charts I'd like to show you. In the Dow, in the tranny, in the ES, I think you will find that, interestingly enough, suddenly resistance shows up out of nowhere, bang, into a spot that may send it back down. Right before the fiscal cliff week starts, last night, all over TV, I kid you not, I was laughing. I couldn't believe my eyes because I'm waving the flag. Everyone's so happy on Wednesday with Bernanke. Wednesday night, they're all over TV. The government's going to run out of money. Barter's going to shut us down. What do we do? What do we do? So much for our heyday. All right, so traders, this is how it works, right? Up one day, down the next. Omni says, get ready. This thing's starting to turn already. Interesting call. I didn't expect it. With no further ado, let's go look at some charts. Traders, if you ask me, this is going to be the fiscal cliff. I think that this is going to, just call it resistance. It's going to stomp us like a brick wall. I think we've already been rejected as of Thursday. And I think we start to head back down maybe to this line right here. This is your Dow Jones Industrial Average, okay? So it hit this top, it came off, it hit another one, it came off, it hit it again. I would like to have seen it just blow right through and continue on, but it did not. Fiscal cliff is absolutely starting next week. You know the panic's going to be all over TV over the weekend. Friday is tomorrow. Looks to me like this is going to be some resistance for us. I'd rather hope we get above it, but it looks to me like we're going to run into a little bit of trouble here. Let me show you another chart. Traders, the emini S&P. This is a wall of resistance to climb, and if you ask me, it's becoming very fiscal cliffy out there. Look at this. Once again, you run into this resistance, but not just the resistance that starts back here and ends here, but you've got this channel right here as well. So you've got this channel, and we've stayed inside the channel, and you've got this major one, and you hit right there on Wednesday and Thursday actually. That is a wall of resistance, and I think with the fiscal cliff coming and the Omni shifting and the tranny looking lower, I think you have to come off a little bit. Again, I'd love to see us bull right through. I was as bullish as can be a day and a half ago, but it is what it is. We are day traders, right? Bullish one day, bearish the next. Then there is the transportation average. Traders, do you remember this chart? This was a very exciting chart that I showed you. I called that video the cycle of fifths. And I showed you that we had 5-week pullback before the rally, a 5-week pullback before the rally, a 5-week pullback, and I expect a rally. And literally, that was the week the rally began. It was perfect analysis. Here we are, 3 weeks later, and I'm here to show you that this is probably on the chart, even though it's regular resistance to an analyst on the chart, it's probably fiscal cliff resistance. Why? It has taken 20 weeks to make this line. This is a 20-week long line. This is a weekly chart. That's got some merit to it, traders. I'm sorry, that's not a daily trend line. That is a weekly, and it hits after 20 weeks of trading. You bounced off of it. 1, 2, third time here. I say 20 weeks has its merit. I say this is the beginning of fiscal cliff nonsense. I'd love to see it blow through, but the likelihood is we'll end up down here before the fiscal cliff comes on September 30th. Pull your own charts. Do your own homework. Tell me what you think when you look at a chart like this. So, traders, so much for good luck, America. Red, white, and blue, right? Out the window with that. In comes the fiscal cliff panic. So that's what we got looking forward to this week. The charts are already showing it. The week coming should bring this until we get close to the fiscal cliff. And what they have done for each and every fiscal cliff before this one is right until the 23rd hour. It is fiscal cliff problem, fiscal cliff problem, fiscal cliff problem. They're going to shut down the government. And right there, right before the deadline comes, the rally ensues. It's happened 2 times before. This is part of the same kick the can down the road fiscal cliff. I say we get a third trade out of it. And what's wrong with a third trade? We'll take it, right? Traders, if you like what you're seeing here, if you like the analysis in these videos, if you like that call for the Fed not to raise rates and the markets to make new highs, come on down to livewithoscar.com and come learn from me in my free chat room. I can teach you how to read the charts. I can teach you technical analysis. I can teach you how to stay calm during the day. Traders, also, if you want to subscribe to these videos right here at YouTube, just subscribe, click the subscribe button, and then you will get an email every time I do another video, which is almost every single evening. And these videos are geared for what should happen tomorrow. They're very, very timely, and they're very educational. Traders, thank you so much. I'll see you at livewithoscar.com. Don't forget, fiscal cliff nonsense is going to be all the rage now. Even though we're as bullish as can be, this could actually push us back down. I'd love to see the market be so bullish that not even a fiscal cliff can stop it. But I just think that it's perfect time for the politicians to push it down low enough to have all their relatives get long, and then back up we go. I don't know if that's what they do. But hey, this is America, right? We'll see what happens. All right, traders, thank you so much for your undying support. You have been a great crew of Omniacs. You guys really, really make my day just about every day. So I thank you all for showing up at my side every day and keeping me company. Traders, always keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do to help yourselves with that is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Emotions are out. And watch out for the fiscal cliff nonsense number 3. Futures trading is risky and can cause substantial financial loss. We do not claim or guarantee that you will profit from the information provided.